brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So you guys, today I am working with Wiggins Hair. Love this company. Y'all been working with them for so many years. They sent me this really bomb, I think this is a water wave. This looked like a water wave and the hair is really soft, so it's giving water wave. It is 24 inches and it's a 13 by... Let me get my facts straight. Hold on. It's not a water wave. It's a loose deep wave 13 by 4 HD lace frontal. But this part right here is not giving 13 by 4. This part right here is giving like a 13 by 6. Y'all, this hair is so freaking lightweight. It don't even feel like I have a wig on my head. Like, it's so light. The curls are so freaking light and beautiful. Y'all see them curls? I could have watered it for y'all and showed y'all the actual curl pattern. But y'all know I like my frizzy, curly, big hair. So I did use a wide tooth comb to comb this hair out to get this look that I got now. What came in the box is okay, so we have a melting band, which I already used in the video, pair of lashes, of course. We have a new edge control brush. We have a 2-pack wig cap. I love these wig caps because they perfect for the ball cap method. Even though I don't use the ball cap method that often, these are the perfect wig caps for that. It also came with a baggie. It says Wiggins Hair, once meet, never forget. This is what you're going to store your wig in when you take it off, so it can stay in good shape. You want to take care of your wig so that you can have that longevity, right? So you guys, you're going to just see me basically install this hair. I did not have to style it because, again, the wig came curled already. And this is the hair straight out of the pack. I did not wash it. I didn't do anything to it except for put it on my head. Y'all, let me tell y'all something real quick. These hair companies have been snapping with the lace. It seemed like every wig that I have gotten in like the past couple months, all of them have a transparent lace. You can literally see my wig cap. And I just need to put a little bit of makeup right there. But it melts perfectly. Y'all see that melt? And I didn't even go in for my second round of melt band. This is the lace with just my bold hold and lace melting spray by Even. I love this. It's like an alternative to the Got To Be Free spray, but it melts your lace a whole lot better and it keeps that hair in place, baby. But you guys, this is the final look. Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. I have all the links ready for you in the description box. But y'all, thank you guys for watching in advance. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace. So you guys, this is the wig straight out the pack. Look at them curls, y'all. And this lace is like perfection. But this is how it is constructed on the inside. We have a wig band in the back. We have the drawstrings, of course. We have 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in the back to secure everything together. So I'm just gonna put this right on my head. I ain't even wash it. I didn't add no product to it. I just put this mug right on my head. So off the bat, I just have to fit it because I have to make sure that I can actually fit it, because I've actually received wigs that was too small for my head. So yeah, it's important that you fit your wig to your head as soon as you get it. Anywho, I'm using my hot comb on 450 degrees, actually 430 degrees. I don't think this hot comb go to 450, but I'm just combing all the hair straight to the back. I'm getting ready for my install process, so I'm just making sure all of the hairs is out the way, and then I'm going to use a cotton round with some alcohol on it, and I'm just going to like clean up, like get all the makeup off the perimeter of my hairline so that the glue can stick, because I wanted to wear this wig for a few days, and the glue that I use is bow hold, and it's going to get it there every single time. I only used a thin layer. I put like small little dots going around the perimeter of my head, and I only used 1 layer this time because I didn't want to wear it that long. So yeah, I'm just putting little bitty dots, and then I'm just gonna spread it out with my little spatula edge brush duo. I'm just gonna make it a really thin layer. I'm gonna let it dry clear, and I'm gonna put the lace right on top. I just put the lace right on top, and you're gonna see it. The lace was literally so transparent that you could see the wig cap right underneath the the freaking lace. And usually I could just clean it up with some makeup, but I didn't want to put any makeup. That was the whole point of me using the cotton round, right? So I didn't have any makeup on my lace. But I don't really like using makeup around the perimeter because then it starts to look cakey, and I just don't like it. But that just goes to show that these companies are getting really great at these laces. Like, you can clearly see my wig cap up under it, and this is one of the times that you use the ball cap method. I really hate doing the ball cap method. It just like takes so much time, and it just seems so pointless to me. Plus, when I just install it right on my right where my skin is, not on my hair, not on my edges, but where my skin is, I feel like it looks a whole lot more natural, and it comes off a whole lot easier. But I use some of my curlyhair wax stick, and I'm just making sure my wig is as flat as possible at the top. So I'm going in with my wax stick, then my hot comb, and then I'm just going back and forth until it gets to where I want it to be. But y'all, look at these curls. The hair was so freaking soft. I had zero shedding, like none, with this freaking wig. And my fingers are just gliding through the hair. It was beautiful. New pee-pee? Come here. New pee-pee. Good job. Your body is really warm. You okay? Yeah. But I'm taking off my melt band, and now it's time to analyze this lace. I had to make sure that I put the lace exactly where it needed to be. And then I'm just gonna start on taking off the excess lace. I know you can't really see it because the lace is so transparent, but it's there, I promise. But I'm just taking off the excess lace with my little what is this thing called? Eyebrow razor. And I'm just like being as careful as possible because it's so easy to cut yourself. You don't want to cut yourself, so take your time when you're doing this. But this wig was so easy to install. It was literally like 1, 2, 3. Like, all I did was install it, lay down what I wanted to lay down. I used a little bit of this even lace melting spray just to get it like completely melted. Even though it was already like perfect, I wanted it to like be completely, I wanted it to look like it was my hair, basically. I wanted it to look like it was coming out of my scalp. So this spray right here is going to get it to where you need it to be. And I don't spray it directly on my hair. I spray it in my hand, and then I dab it onto my lace, and I just blow dry it, or I use my little white fan with cool air to dry all that down in place, and then it literally be stuck for like a week. But y'all, that is literally the end. That's all I had to do. I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and combing out my curls because I know I like the big curly poofy look. Plus, I didn't want to wet it because I didn't want my curls to drop. I thought adding water or mousse was going to make my curls drop, so I wasn't going to take that risk. But I really love the curls like this. It's so beautiful, flowy. It's giving fall for sure. Y'all know curly hair is in right now, so go get you one. Anyways, you guys, this is the final product. All the links will be in my description box if you are interested in purchasing. 10 out of 10 for me. But like I said, this wig is from Wiggins Hair. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching.